In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Google Art and Culture app in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, please proceed with the best match. Click on open this one to continue. In a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome. We just have to wait until we can get to see a search bar here at the center before we proceed. Okay, so once ready, please type for Google Arts and Culture. Then hit the enter key once you are done typing. And in that way, you would be able to be navigated to the results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under Arts and Culture, google.com. Click on this one. And the moment you click on it, you would be navigated to the Google Arts and Culture. Okay, so here you just have to navigate to the three dots at the top right corner. Click on this one, and you need to locate your cursor to this cast, saved, and share. The moment you've located your cursor here, you would be able to bring up this left window. Please proceed with install page as app. Click on this one, and the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see this kind of small window where it asks you to confirm your action. Click on install, and in that way you would be able to open up a new window, which is the Google Arts and Culture, and that would mean that we have successfully installed it here in our Windows. Once it's here, you can now minimize or close the window as well as your Google Chrome. And when you look at your desktop, you can see that a shortcut for Google Arts and Culture has been automatically created. And here, when you navigate to the search bar and when you try to type for the arts and culture, now, the moment you've typed that, you would be able to see a best match for it, either under the best matched or under the apps, okay? Now, as you can see, this being placed here at the best match as an application. And you would be able to receive a notification as well where your machine would ask you to pin the Google Arts for the taskbar. You can click on yes if you would like to, or can simply decline the offer if you don't want to. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.